Hey, what's up? This is Khalid Siddiqui here for another very exciting tutorial. How to create a 3D model CT animation in After Effects by going to new composition. And now I need to go into setting. I need to make 10 seconds and right here element 3D. Set composition size to HD and next click OK. So after that, right click create a new solid and right here element 3D, click OK and go back to effects, go to video copilot, select element. Don't forget guys, you can download element 3D plugin from my Patreon account right there. Take a look. There you can find every plugins of After Effects, element 3D master course, and there is 3D flag, action is in shields, and 4K materials for element 3D plugin. And there is element 3D plugin with 7 primary bundle pack. And now in this video we will use element 3D metropolitan pack. So guys, go to scene setup, click here and next. There we have element 3D scene. Go to metropolitan and go to metropolitan and come here. Find street layout 05, there street layout 03. Click here. Let's see. Zoom in. Not bad. So guys, go to presets, go to environment, go to backlights. There we have 4K, 2K backlights for changing the reflection backlight. Don't forget you can download the backlights too from the Patreon account. You can find here the backlights. So guys, and now click OK. Right click here to create a new camera. Select the camera, 24 millimeter, click OK. And select the element 3D. Go to group 1, go to particle replicator, select the plan and make 15 copies. Take a look, change the scale size of the shape. Take a look from the top. From top, move the camera a little bit up and change the size. Here we can see. Great. So guys, I now zoom out, set the camera front of the city right there and zoom in. Sit here. When we rotate, here we can see all of the city, the streets, everything. So now I need to add the title right there. So how to add the title? Go to select the title, click here and right here. So element 3D, element 3D, city. Change to center the paragraph, click here, turn off the caps lock key and change the font style to basic font style and change to bold like this. Let's see another more bold style for the text. Nice. So guys, How to make 3D the title, select the element 3D and go to custom layers, text and mask, select the element 3D city. Go back to scene setup and next click on extrude, click here and now we have the element 3D city. Put on, let's see, put here, little bit move up and go to bevel, go to physical, double click, select the style. Let's see which style is looking better, professional. This one is not bad. Zoom in and control the extrude, control the thickness like this. So guys, and now click OK. Let's click OK. And there we have a lot of element 3D city. Go back to scene setup. Just I need on one building to put element 3D title. Select extrude model, change to group 2 and click OK. And now turn off the 2D title and let's see where is that element 3D title over there. Here is. Let's zoom and let's rotate. So zoom in again. Sit here. Go to group 2, go to particle look and change the size and go to particle replicator, move the title little bit right there and move little bit up. Sit here. Don't forget guys, go to render setting, ambient occlusion, turn on ambient occlusion. And now you can rotate the camera by going to press P, press rotation, go to second 3 and rotate like this. Element 3D title. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe the channel. Have a good time. Good luck all of you.